we want to share with you how you can make truly and honestly wonderful, easy, imaginative, clever. Look at this, guys. This is you see how it popped up? This is for gift cards. If you want to make gift cards easy and simple, but also make them fun and kind of ingenious, this is how you'll do it. It's a card, but the gift card, you're gonna basically slot right on the inside there, and then you are good to go. I wanna introduce you to the owner, designer of Stamps of Life. It's Stephanie Bernard. Stephanie, welcome to the show. How are you?
Good, Adam, how are you?
I'm so excited to do this because, you know, we love giving gift cards, but we always need something special to put them in.
Right, right. You know what, that's every time I ask my kids, they're adults now, and every time I ask them, what do you want for Christmas? What do you want for your birthday? What do you want for Mother's Day? They always say gift cards. And I'm like, what, are you kidding? Well, now we have a way to give gift cards in a wonderful, fantastic way. So at Stamps of Life, I designed all of these products for HSN. They're exclusive to HSN, and I'm really excited about these because look at that. You open it up, and there is your gift card. Now, the important thing for you to know is at the Stamps of Life, I'm all about wow, but also about the 5-minute card. If you can't make it in 5 minutes, then you know what? I don't want to make it because I don't have time for that, right? Now, look at how fun. Here's graduations coming up. There you can pop up a gift card just like that. Easy peasy. Here's a fun one right here. Now, this is the card base itself. It's an A2 size card when folded, but it also comes with dies that are flowers. Now, here is just a quick sample of what those flowers look like.
Oh, wow.
Look at this gorgeous wreath. I know, right? Look at these gorgeous flowers on this wreath. You are getting 3 different sizes of flowers in this kit. So you're really getting a lot of bang for your buck. Here's an example of some of those flowers. Absolutely gorgeous. There you go. There's your gift card on the inside, ready to go. And you know what? Let me show you how easy it is to do because you know what? I'm going to knock your socks off. Are you ready, Adam?
Ready. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. What you're going to do is you're going to take the largest die, and you are going to die cut that twice. So I've already die cut it twice. I have 2 here. There's a beautiful score line on there. I'm going to fold that one here, fold this one here, just like that. Then I'm going to get a piece of scrap paper to go underneath me. I'm going to get my adhesive runner, and I'm simply going to use put some butts about like this, and I'm going to use adhesive right there on the edges. Notice how I went a little bit on my scrap paper because I don't want to go all the way on the piece because this is where my gift card is going to go, right? So now I kind of put that like that, and I'm going to fold that over, press, and look at that. That's it. Now I have my little holder to put my little business card in. Oh, and actually, Patsy on my Facebook fan page said that she's going to use this to put her business cards in, which I thought was a fantastic idea because what if you were a real estate agent or you did something for a living that you wanted to give out a card, but you wanted to have that fun business card in there. Now, of course, I also give you the layering dies as well. So we have those fun flowers, but we also have these layering dies. We can literally add adhesive to this, drop it on the front, and look at this. Fast, easy, done. Now, of course, because I'm an end user, I am a card maker. I do this. This is what I do. I have this little die here that's a layering die to go on the inside. I really try to think of everything when I do this. So look at that. I'm going to lay that little piece right there, and now I have a layering die as well on that card. Now, here's some finished samples that I want to share with you because these are really fun. So here's a cute little barn. Open it up, and there's your gift card, a little thank you if you have a little thank you gift to give.
I love it.
Here's a fun one. I know, look at this one. Are you ready for this one? Another knock your socks up. What if you wanted to make it a little book? Look at that.
Oh my
How do we do that? Well, you know what? I know, look at that, right? Here's that little piece that pops up. Remember that layering die I told you about?
Yeah.
Let's make it a page instead. Let's take this, let's add some adhesive to this piece here, add some to this piece, and look at this. We're going to put these pieces right in here, and we're going to make a little book. So you can make a gift card, you can make a book, whatever you want. Now we have a fun book. Isn't that cute?
So many different ideas. Okay, so using the same things, you'd be able to do multiple different things with it. That's what's great about this item. That's why, when Stephanie says, if it's not able to be done under 5 minutes, she's not interested. This is a 5-minute solution. Gift card for anybody in your family. Birthdays, Christmas, special occasions. This is going to create a wonderful, and it really is, every option that we've got out here, a wonderful idea to be able to make the most of that gift card. What Stephanie just said about the business card is a fantastic thing to do. When it comes to business, you're always trying to stand out from the crowd. What a wonderful way to present your business card to somebody, right, Stephanie?
Right, it's perfect. I'm happy that was her idea, and she gets credit for that because I love that idea.
It's fantastic.
Now, we also need to mention, you also get the idea booklet too as well.
Right.
Just a heads up, okay?
And we'll show that live so you can see it here, but this is one of the things Stephanie really is proud of. You see all about Stephanie. You also get easy to read. You've really laid this out so well that it's easy to follow along. We love that it's also full color.
Yes, absolutely. Very important.
Stephanie, final words on your amazing pop-up card making dies.
Well, you know what? Anybody can do them. If I can do them, anybody can do them. They're perfect for the beginner and the advanced. Anyone that likes to die cut and make quick cards that wow everyone, you definitely need to get this one because we all get gift cards now. That's all what we do. We need to get this and make it more fun to give those gift cards.
Gift cards might be a common gift idea, but this way of delivering them is special, and that's what makes the gift card even more special as well. Stephanie, great to see you. Thank you so much for being on the show. Stay safe, and we'll see you soon.
Thanks, Adam. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Stephanie, the creator founder of that wonderful company. Thank you so much for all of your orders on this one. We're down to the final 300 or 400 perhaps before it's sold out. Do want to stress, because I know Stephanie's proud of this, as she should be, those folks that have already ordered it have made it a customer pick. That means the reviews that have come through, 4 and 5 stars. It is easy, it is fun, and you get everything you need. There's nothing else that you need to buy to create the gift card pop-up, or of course you could alternate it with maybe a business card. And I'll just quickly show you, here's what Stephanie was doing. She showed us, I think, this very similar card, but as I open this up, imagine that that's going to be the restaurant gift card, or the store gift card, or the HSN gift card, or the QVC gift card. Isn't that great though? Because it's not that it's lying flat, or it's those typical metal cases that folks buy. This one is, if I just get it in there like that, this one is bigger and bolder, and it's pronounced. So when you open it up, it's the first thing that pops up. It's brilliant. Okay, you can see you can also do them that way, landscape or portrait. It's totally up to you. Thank you for all of your orders on our wonderful pop-up gift card set. Coming up next, another ingenious idea, but first, to let you know, today is Giving Tuesday, and now is the last day of our campaign to raise funds for Meals on Wheels and No Kid Hungry. America's kids need us, and with schools and workplaces closing nationwide,